Good morning. This is Marianne, and we're going to be cooking in the Instant Pot today because I'm not in the mood to fire up the oven. So I have other things to do, and I don't want to lose my focus. So, anyhow, the first button we're going to push on all these buttons is, where is it? Oh, there it is. Saute. So it's going to warm up because I have, this is supposedly a chuck roast, but I believe it's an arm roast. I could be mistaken. It could be a blade roast. I think maybe back in the day they called these a 7 blade. I don't know. But anyways, he's been sitting out here. He's still kind of frozen, but I layer on the salt. You can see salt just kind of brings out the moisture, which I'm okay with. Look at all that fat. I don't know about any of you, but I do not like to trim off all my fat. There goes the coffee pot. Oh, look at that. To me, this is lovely. Oh, look at that. Anyhow, got to get some oil, and then we're going to get this in there and browned up. My oil of choice is sunflower seed oil. I don't know, put a splash. You're the one cooking. Don't get all caught up on measurements when you're cooking. Get caught up on measurements when you're baking. Oops. I have to get a new thing for my camera. It keeps falling. Anyhow, the roast, and I stuck that in there. You can hear the sizzle. I don't remember when I bought this. Yeah, I gotta get a new one. But this is a beef chuck roast, about 2.25 pounds. Paid $6.99 a pound for it. So this was $17. Yeah. Anyhow, it's in there sizzling. And that's a good thing. Smell it even. Oh wait. So I'm trying to get it. I don't need to have it ground up really good. These are heavy duty things. This is my little fork. Alright, I'm gonna let him saute for a little bit. I'm gonna get everything else done and ready. Okay, so round 2 for our food today. We're going to have onion in there, we're going to have potatoes in there, and I'm not cutting them or peeling them. I'm just going to wash them and throw them in. And carrot I'm going to peel and cut up. And here's something really weird. You buy carrots that are organic, they put them in plastic bags, and the plastic bags are starting to be perfumed. And it doesn't smell like your food. So make sure to always buy single solitary carrots. Your carrots should smell earthy or smell like no perfume. Same thing with your potatoes. I got after Whole Foods, I don't know how many times. I'd go in there and smell it because I'm not buying a potato that doesn't smell like a potato or the earth. I'm not buying a perfumed potato. So make sure if you don't eat conventional foods and the organic foods, they still try to throw chemicals in you because of the perfumed bag. I don't know what the problem is. Potatoes should smell like potatoes. Carrots should, it should smell earthy or not smell perfumey. So I mean, you can see how bad I have fragrance-free foaming soap. So I get this all together. I throw this all in there inside, and I'm also going to throw in some of my butter and bouillon, which is organic, and see what happens. After these sizzles, alright, okay. 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 Now I'm back. I didn't do that right. I had to shut it all off because this goes under pressure. And I had to put the lid on it. I got my lid on. It's tight. Got my seal on there. Everything's looking good. So now I'm going to go back to heat and stew. I like to go about 15 minutes. The meat's kind of frozen. However, it's not, it's going to have to come up pressure. So if you see recipes that say to use your pressure cooker, it's not just that it's going to cook for 15 minutes. It's got 10 to 15 minutes to come up to pressure. So once it comes up to pressure, then it's 50. Then it's going to take at least another 20 minutes to just release itself and do its own thing. I mean, you can do that, but I really don't like to because if you just let it go, it should be, everything should last. So it's really, we call this 50 minutes, and then we'll call it an hour after that. So it's a 2-hour cook, start to finish. So the time right now is 11:43.